Oh, goodness. Oh.
Careful, careful. It's one of the rare ones.
Really? She opened that one.
Oh.
Good job. Grace, you having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah, he's helping us.
Oh, we have a surprise egg. Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay, guys, today we have a new toy. Are you excited, Grace? Yeah. We have little Hatchimal Collectibles.
Oh, yeah.
How cool is that? Look, Grace. Little baby ones. And another one that is like a 2-pack nest. It comes with a nest.
Wow, with a little nest. Look, it has a little nest. Awesome.
We also have some blind bags.
Whoa.
So cool. Aww. Okay, now let's open it. You want to open it, Grace? Yeah? Okay, let's do the first blind bag.
All right, here we go.
So these are season 1.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
It says that you have to rub the heart
Oh, Grace.
and it will change colors.
Okay, look.
Rub the heart.
Oh, we gotta rub the heart because I think it's gonna change color though. Look, it became like pink.
Oh, nice.
Here we go. Whoa! Oh, look.
Oh, it's a little mouse. Look, the little wings are sparkly. How cute.
Yeah,
Okay, let's open another one.
Here we
Let's
go.
do it.
There you go.
Ooh, go ahead and rub it with use your hands,
Go,
okay?
Grace.
Yeah.
Use your finger.
Yeah.
Good job.
Look.
Oh.
Oh.
Heart.
Yeah, the heart is becoming
It's
like
changing
pink.
colors. What color is it?
It looks like pink
What
again.
color is it, Grace?
What color is that now?
Pink.
Yeah, it is pink. You're right,
You're
Grace.
right.
Good job. Let's open it. Here we go. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh.
What is it?
Look, it's
It's one of the rare ones.
really?
Yeah.
Wow, that color is so cool. It's like a
Look, Grace.
transparent blue or something.
Yeah, those are one of the rare ones. It's a rare penguin. Let me see, turn it around. So cute.
Maybe a little.
Oh,
Baby.
let's see it. Oh, turn it around.
Wow.
Oh, so cute.
All right, let's open another one. Here we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. One heart. Okay. What's the one?
Okay, can you grab this one, Grace, and you can rub it. Oh, yeah, there's something inside. Oh, it's already turning pink.
Look.
Oh, is it a panda?
Oh, it's a little panda, Grace.
Yeah, show the kids.
Okay,
yeah,
show
it
the
is a
kids
bear.
now.
It's like a panda bear. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, it's a little panda. It's so cute. And they all have those sparkly wings.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, let's open another way.
Hey, that's not the way you open it.
Okay, let's do it. Let's open it up. Oh, careful, careful. Careful.
All right. Okay, we're ready to open another one. Here we go. Okay, let's go. Open it. All right.
Heart.
What color is that?
Purple.
Yeah,
It's
good
purple.
job. Okay, so go ahead and rub it. Yeah, there's something inside. Yeah. Ooh, I can see the color changing. Oh, yeah. What color is that, Grace?
Pink.
Yeah, it changed to pink. He's stuck.
Oh no.
Whoa, he fell down.
Aww. Is that a bird? It's a bird, Grace.
Yeah, looks like a cute little bird.
It's a Hatchimal bird. Aww.
Grace, you're having fun opening some new Hatchimals?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're having so much fun.
Open it.
You need my help? Yeah? Okay. Here we go.
Yeah. Go.
Let's open it. Here we go. Whoa.
Oh, so cute.
Okay.
Okay, it's a savannah. See, there's different ones in here, and that's the one.
Oh, the one.
Savannah.
One.
And then we got a jungle for the little panda. And we got a lilac lake.
What's like?
That's the penguin that we
What's
got.
Open.
You want to open? Okay,
Yes.
let's do the big ones now. So these Hatchimals Collectibles have a nest. They have a 2-pack eggs and a nest.
Whoa, look at that nest.
Wow.
It's pink. It's cute.
So cute.
Okay, so let's open this one while this one is still warm in the nest.
Okay, let's do it. Let's open it up.
Never mind. Okay, here we go.
Yes.
Oh, it's already turning pink. Look, she just
nice.
barely put her hand like that. Try it. Yeah, look, turned pink right away. That's cute. Okay.
Try to squeeze it with your hand.
Yeah, look, Grace.
Maybe I'll give it
A
some
nice-
warm.
A nice, cute, huggable, squeezable love. Oh, she opened that one.
Oh,
Good job.
good job. Open it.
Open.
Yeah, open it.
What's like?
What is it?
What's inside? What is it? Oh, it fell
what
down over there
happened?
downstairs, Mommy.
Who is it, Grace?
What is it?
Monkey.
It's a monkey.
You're right.
Oh.
Yeah, look. Look, everybody.
Oh, so cute.
He matches with the nest also.
Nice. It's a jungle one. See?
Jungle.
So Grace got the monkey, and it's from the jungle family. We also got the penguin that is from Polar Paradise. And I think we got the mouse too. It's from the garden. Okay, we'll check right now the other ones. Let's open the egg, Grace.
Okay.
Open it, Grace. Open it. Open it.
Yeah, she already got it warmed up. Look, very nice
Open
and
it.
pink,
Open
hot
it.
pink.
Pink.
You need help?
Can you open it? What do you need?
Hammer.
Oh, goodness.
Okay.
Nice
But be a little bit gentle, okay?
and gentle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Nope. It didn't open.
Okay, let's try to open it by ourselves.
Yeah. Here we go.
Here you go.
Look, Grace, it's from the farm family, and it's a horse. Take it out.
Oh.
Oh, look, Grace. It's part of the farm family, and it's a horse, Hatchimal. How cute. Oh. See, from the farm family. Okay, let's open. And this one comes with a 4-pack eggs and a bonus.
Here's the bonus. Nope, I think we got the bonus already. Also.
Ah, we got twins.
And then
The bonus, we got it twice.
Nice, we got 2. Aw, look, Grace, your Hatchimal friend is helping you. Aw. Oh, that is so cute.
Yeah, he's helping us. Oh, yeah, he's rubbing. Whoa!
Oh,
It's like a zebra.
It's a zebra. It's from a savannah family.
Here's the other one.
You're getting really cute ones.
Whoa.
Oh,
What is it, a skunk?
yeah.
Oh, a cute skunk.
How cute. And that one's from the forest family.
Here we go, the other one. She's falling asleep. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. I think she's gonna help us.
Yeah, let's do it. Help us open the baby egg.
Thank you for the help.
Nice.
Oh, it's cute. Is that a pig?
What is it? Let me see. Oh, it's a pig. It's from the farm family.
Yeah.
It's from the farm family. Look, Grace.
Look, Grace, a piggy.
So cute. Okay, let's see the other one now. We're gonna need some help from the Hatchimal to open it up. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Kissy.
Casey. Oh,
So cute.
that's so sweet of you, Grace.
Yeah, she wants to warm the eggy
Just warm it up.
like a real mommy.
Like a huggy time.
But that's this. Oh, group hug.
Group hug.
Oh, where are you going with the eggy?
Where are you going?
Hey, where are you going with the eggy? Come back with the eggy. I want my eggy back. Give me my eggy back. I am the mommy. Here we go, the last one. Let's see what we
The
got.
last one, Grace.
Whoa.
Oh.
Cute little tail.
So cute. Oh, look, Grace, it's a porcupine from the metal family. Cute. Yeah, are you excited? Oh.
Look.
What is that? Oh, we have a surprise egg! Yeah!
Yeah, an angry bird. Yeah.
More like a happy bird.
Let's open it. What is it?
Whoa, some candy. Yep, candy.
Some candy.
And an angry bird little house so you can build it. And what do we have here? We have red. Wow, cute hearts. Candy.
Little tiny posters and a little house to build when you throw the bird.
Yeah, because this guy is
Tattoo.
Here we go, guys. Look, he's gonna try to destroy that house. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Whoa!
He only got the roof. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Whoa!
Nice.
He's waving bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, kids.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like us and share us. And check out our other fun episodes.
Yay!
Bye, kids. Bye.
Look, you want to
What happened?
that piece fell down.
Eggy. Eggy.
Here's mine. That's not the way you open. You gotta show love. Love. Huggy. Huggy.
Huggy.
No huggy. Try it again. One more time.
1, 2, and 3. Go.
I think she's just making a beat. Whoa.
We're gonna get a little mini of you.
Baby, baby.
Oh, no, don't grab it by the hair.
Okay.
What is it?
What's inside?
Yeah, take it out.
Okay.
No, don't worry about this one. You haven't even taken that one out. She's falling asleep. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Piggy power! It's, oh, what did you do? Oh,
Great.
how did it taste, that plastic?
No, Mommy.
I'm gonna open it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what happened?
I'm sick.
Oh, he's sick? He's not sick.
2 and 3. Oh, never mind.
No.
Sorry about that.
Careful.
I
They're
apologize.
babies.
I apologize for that.